Hello everyone, welcome back to another review on the channel. Today we are going to be reviewing a new flavor from M&M. It's called the Key Lime Pie. It's a new flavor from M&M. Now I personally like key lime pie. If you like key lime pie, comment down below. And I've had key lime pie ice cream, I've had all types of key lime pie, but I've never had key lime pie M&M, so I just wanted to see how good of a job they did of bringing a realistic key lime pie taste. So I'm gonna find a green one. Here's what it looks like. Alright, and now we're going to take a little taste test. 3, 2, 1. Okay. 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 Alright, so here are my thoughts on this. One, the flavor's okay. It's not like your perfect key lime pie flavor. It's a little bit on the sweet side, but it's good. I mean, I wouldn't eat this all day, but I would recommend it. Here's a white one. And now down the hatch. Yeah. So, my final thoughts, that it does taste like key lime pie, but it's a little bit on the sweet side. So yeah, those are my thoughts. And then, last but not least, here is the light green one. The light green. Down the hatch. Yeah. Okay. So there's my taste test and my review. Overall review, on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give it, let's see here. I would give it a 6 to 7 out of 10. It's not perfect, but it's good. So hey guys, there was my review / taste test. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and turn on the post notification bell, so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.